How to add buy now button on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can add buy now button on Facebook Marketplace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Facebook account, just like I have done here. And then from here, I have to inform you that for you to be able to add buy now button on Facebook Marketplace, you have to have a Facebook page, okay? It's only through a Facebook page or on a Facebook page that you can add a buy now button. So how do you get your Facebook page? By moving to your account icon located by the top right corner of the screen. Just click on it. Once you click on it, your page will be located by the right side of the of your current account. Alright, just click on it. Ask you to switch. Once you click on it, you will see switching to your page. So once you're switched to your page, by the left side of the screen, you will see switch to page, see page. Click on see page. Once you click on see page, you'll be taken to your manage page option. Now, on this page, you will see professional dashboard, inside etc at the left side of the screen. Now, to the right side of the screen, you also see some options. Select the three dots here that you can see on the same line as about, mentions, reviews, etc. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. Just go ahead and select add action button. Alright, click on try it. Just click on try it. You'll see a list of options here. Just scroll down until you see buy now. Alright, this is our focus in this tutorial. Just click on it. Once you click on it, I am currently using a lower version of Facebook. That is why you cannot see the option next. As for you, even if you are using the new version of Facebook, you will see the option next. Alright, next. Just click on it. Just click on next. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you follow the on-screen instructions, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to select either website, shop, etc. Select the one that is more that applies to you. If you have a website already, select it and then paste the link. Once the link is pasted, click on OK and save. And then the buy now action button would be displayed on your dashboard. All right. Just go ahead and select it as much as applies to you. Once you've selected it and you've saved it, the buy now option will be located on this side of the screen. Very simple, right? Yes, very simple. So this is how you can add um buy now button on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.